punya film.
Penutup tingkap telah pun dibuka.
Welcome to Bande Aceh.
Hi and welcome to the vlog. Today let's give you an insight and an overall view of how you will experience traveling with AirAsia from Kuala Lumpur to Bande Aceh. First of all, we got our ticket online. And we didn't check in online because we were 6 persons and they needed a lot of information about the passport numbers, all this. To make it easier, you can check in at the airport. At the airport, there's quite nice and calm atmosphere, so you enjoy a walk. And you go to level 3. Level 3 in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Terminal 2. There you will have all the AirAsia airplanes traveling from Kuala Lumpur to all over the world. So here we are now at the self-check-in. You will scan your passport and then you will tell them how many luggage do you have. And you will get your sticker for the luggage and you will get your boarding pass. So that's quite easy and simple. After that, we enjoyed a walk to the food court. It's also nearby on the first floor, as you see. The kind of food we wanted was something simple and clean, like burger and so, pizza and so, but we wanted to avoid American brands. But that was not easy because a lot of these shops are American, so we end up with having something from I think it was in a local Malaysian restaurant. We got some pizza, and it's also a very good idea if you travel with AirAsia, in our case, only 1 hour and 30 minutes, that you take some food with you. That will be very nice, especially if you have kids, because maybe on the airplane they will enjoy something. And of course, we always have one small bag, because I have 4 kids with me. One small bag with some candies or juice and so on, chips, this kind of thing. They will be really happy to enjoy these meal. Yes, and then we got in and had a lot of space free. So I had 3 seaters for myself, and there was the airplane was not full. So you can go and change the seat to somewhere where you sit alone and have more space and more comfortable.
Kita akan mendarat sebentar lagi. Sila kembali ke tempat duduk, tegakkan tempat duduk anda, pasangkan tali kedai, kembalikan meja ke tempat yang asal dan pastikan penutup tingkap telah pun dibuka.
On the airplane, because it was only about 90 minutes, so I didn't had so much time for my laptop, but I did try to do some work. And beside that, you can actually enjoy the view. It's a stunning view you can get from Kuala Lumpur to Bande Aceh, and I really love to enjoy this view from outside the airplane window, because there is so much green area and so many islands you can look, and a really beautiful view. So you don't have time or energy for doing some work on the laptop if you have this amazing cinematic view outside. Yes, other than that, you just enjoy the flight and the moment, and look forward to arrive in Aceh, because in Bande Aceh, I didn't knew that. I thought when it was an international airport, so you might have a bigger or complicated airport, but actually in Bande Aceh, when we arrived, it was a very small airport, very simple, and the process was so easy with so friendly staff at the airport. And one thing that I got a little bit nervous was that I was told by the friendly immigration police that we needed visa for our European passport, and I didn't have a visa. I didn't knew that. So what I asked was, we don't have visa, what to do? And he said, no problem, in the counter 1 meter to the left, you can have visa at arrival if you have European passport. And we did so. It didn't cost so much. I think it costed about 10 US dollar per each passport, and you will get the visa immediately. You don't have to fill anything. The counter lady or staff, they will fill up all the forms for you, and you just give the passport. And actually, you can also pay with your credit card. Yeah, but I will recommend you that you have some Indonesian money with you wherever you travel from. It's a good idea to have some local currency in case you might not find any exchange or they're closed or so on. So we did got our visa at arrival within some minutes, and then we were out of the airport. Out of the airport, you just go out, no problem there. Like in 5 minutes, there is a walk. The airport is very small and easy to come. And there was only this flight at the airport. Like at the arrival, the only people were us. So no rush and no hurries, no worries. That was our journey. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you also come to Aceh and follow our vlogs, enjoy them, comment if there is anything I should do better or I should do in a new way, and share these vlogs with your loved one. Let them enjoy Indonesia and Malaysia too, and all over the world, because as you see our other vlogs, we also travel to Umrah and Riyadh and all Afghanistan, Morocco, from Africa to Indonesia. Many countries to enjoy and many cultures to explore. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome to Bande Aceh, Muslim city, small airport. Small airport. Eine film. عجب شنای خوندور ایرپورټ دی. بس لای خپل په خپل پر سر په ایرپورټ کې ګرځو را ګرځه.